For this next RCT builder template pack, we've got a tool to fix the encryption method. So what this does is it automates the process of adding a TPM and numerical key protector for BitLocker on a device. It includes kind of all the precursor steps that we'd need to get that going, and then enough intelligence to kind of manage this without us having to look at it too much. Which is nice. As with all RCT builder actions, we're going to start with the start node. This again represents what we click on when we run this action. It also is the place where we configure the action properties, so what the overall properties of the tool are going to be. So we've chosen tabbed results. That's a good general rule of thumb. Tabbed results is a good thing to choose here as a view. It's going to give us a tab for every step of our action, and in this case we have a lot of steps. We've given it a name, fix encryption method as the name here. We're going to do is a device action, and we're going to display the computer name. That's what we're going to look for. Jumping straight in, the first thing we're going to do is stop a service. In this case, we're going to stop the mbam agent service. The only other thing we need to make sure we do is map parameters so that RCT Builder knows where to look for the computer name, what computer we're going to stop a service on. It's getting that information from the device we click on. So start node to computer name. Next, we are going to decrypt the C drive. Now obviously this is kind of a lengthy process, and we'll get to how we're going to handle that in a minute, but we need to, again, make sure we do it on the correct computer, the one we click on at the start node, and we're going to decrypt drive letter C. If you've got other drive letters, obviously, just input those here, or you can do a custom input parameter at the beginning to manage that. To handle getting Recast to wait for that drive to decrypt, we've actually got a PowerShell script, and this is going to basically just wait for that decryption to finish. Again, we're going to map the parameters to run it on this start node device that we've got. This is our PowerShell script. Check the wiki for that script in full. We don't have any input parameters. We're not going to show a debug stream or an error stream. We are going to show the information stream. Nothing verbose warning, but we are going to show a progress stream here as well, just to get a nice little progress bar going for us. Once the drive is decrypted, the PowerShell script will allow us to move on, and we're going to set a registry value. Hive is HKey local machine, subkey, software, policies, Microsoft, FVE, value name encryption method with XTSOS, and type reg_dword, and the value of 7. And again, we're going to map the parameter for computer name from the start node to computer name. Next, we're going to finally get to adding our different key protectors. This first one we're going to add is a TPM key protector. Pretty straightforward. Map the computer and the drive letter C. Then we're going to do the numerical password key protector. Again, map the computer to drive letter C. And finally, we're going to re-encrypt. Grabbing that again, the computer name from the start node, drive letter C, encryption method. In this case, we're using XTS AES 256, and we're going to put a constant value of true on this use space only boolean. So that kind of concludes the overview of the fix encryption method template. I hope you find this valuable, and thanks for watching.